SyncFab is where OEM hardware buyers get parts made and suppliers get paid. Electric vehicles, rockets, auto, and aerospace innovation continue to accelerate, shortening production schedule allowances at a time when global manufacturing supply chains are blowing up and being dismantled. SyncFab helps aerospace and automotive OEM purchase managers and engineers stay on top of their demanding production schedules while shaving their parts procurement costs as much as half off, benefiting from a vetted full-range manufacturing capabilities network of thousands of suppliers. SyncFab's network precision machining capabilities include multi-axis milling and turning, routing, water jet, laser jet, EDM, electron beam welding, punching, cutting, shearing, and finishing services including anodizing, coating, plating, polishing, and more. Where a car averages 30,000 parts and an aeroplane averages 2 million individual parts, SyncFab helps engineers and product program managers handle everything from small volume quick turn parts prototyping on up to full-scale parts production programs in compliance with your quality management system and government service contracting requirements. Buyers can upload your RFQ drawings or speak with one of our readily available account managers to receive the best price quotes with no obligation to buy. Place your order only when the quote meets your requirements. Delivery on time and quality on spec guaranteed. Process milestones are recorded for improved supply chain auditability using blockchain ledger technology, recognized for its superior data cybersecurity, now at no additional cost. Take advantage of our complimentary suite of work productivity tools, including multi-seat buyer accounts and workflow documentation while supplies last. SyncFab also works with OEM IT departments wanting to secure more of their supply chain data with blockchain for ERP internal reporting system integration. OEM IT departments can use their own procurement activity blockchain records SyncFab generates to complete a turnkey supply chain blockchain proof of concept, custom use case pilot, or program implementation. Furthermore, SyncFab's patent-pending turnkey parts tokenization procurement add-on feature can be used to prevent product fraud, isolate recall cost and time using track and trace blockchain technology. Finally, OEM IT and finance departments can partner to use the MFG manufacturing token for custom smart contract, smart payment, and supplier incentive programs such as RFQ and data sharing rewards. Parts buyers, save time and money and reduce your workload today. Cut weeks off delivery and gain timely access to idle capacity local production with the fastest available turnaround time at the lowest total landed cost. Visit SyncFab.com to schedule a product demo, speak to a representative, or register to submit your secure RFQ and start saving today.